Hi everybody, this is IGS. Today I want to show you how to compress a mix using the Tubecore 3U in stereo and mid-side modes. The Tubecore 3U is a mastering tube vari-mu compressor. Let's listen.
It's getting kinda late now. Time to explore your great fantasy. So slip your shoes and dress on. I need to see what we'll be working with. Yeah, yeah, start the fire. Done with the bass line, now the melody. A simple invitation you'll get from me. Don't worry about your makeup. Don't matter when you stay up. Forget about the bad stuff. Just meet me at the playground. Don't worry about your makeup. Worry about your makeup. Don't matter when you stay up. When you stay up. Forget about the bad stuff. Forget about it. Just meet me at the playground. One little question. Are you as high as you wanna be? I'm feeling your potential. I'd like to see more right on top of me. Yeah, yeah, keep it burning. Keep it burning. Keeping it cool's not affecting me. A little bit of good love. A little bit of good love you'll get from me. Don't worry about your makeup. Don't worry about your makeup. No matter when you stay up. When you stay up. Forget about the bad stuff. Forget about it. Just meet me at the playground. Don't worry about your makeup. Don't worry about your makeup. No matter when you stay up. You stay up. Forget about the bad stuff. Forget about it. Just meet me at the playground. About your makeup. Worry about your makeup. No matter when you stay up. When you stay up. Forget about the bad stuff. Forget about just it. Just meet me at the playground. Playground. Just meet me at the playground. The playground. Just meet me at the playground. The playground. Just meet me at the playground. The playground. Just meet me at the playground.
Thanks for watching and I'd love to hear your feedback.